Hello students, myself Vasundhara Garg, Assistant Professor in Babu Banarsi Das University. Today's topic is Media and Human Rights. Media and Human Rights. Issues relating to entry of foreign print media. The media can educate, inform and entertain through news, features and analysis. They can also produce documentaries, dramas, current affair programs, public service announcements and other form of programming for radio and television. The media can be seen as an enabler for democracy. Better educated voters can lead to a more legitimate government. Article 19 of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights states that everyone has the right to freedom of opinion and expression. This includes the freedom to seek, receive and impart information and ideas through any media. Background information on media and human rights. Media and human rights are two interconnected and essential components of modern society. Media plays a crucial role in promoting, protecting and advocating for human rights. Media encompasses various forms of communication channels, including print, broadcast, digital and social media, used to convey information, news and entertainment to the public. The media itself can face human rights challenges such as journalists being targeted or censored for their reporting on human rights abuses. Human rights are inherent, inalienable rights and freedoms to which all individuals are entitled, irrespective of their nationality, religion, gender or other characteristics. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights, adopted by the United Nations in 1948, serves as a foundation document outlining basic human rights principles. Now come to the point, entry of foreign print media and its implications. The entry of foreign print media into a country can have various implications, both positive and negative, for the host nation's media landscape, society and government. These implications may positive implication or maybe negative implication. Now come to the point, what is positive implication? Diverse perspective. Foreign print media can provide readers with a wider range of viewpoints and news coverage, offering a more comprehensive understanding of global events and issues. And what is negative implication? Dominance of foreign perspective. An influx of foreign media may lead to the dominance of international viewpoints, potentially overshadowing local perspective and diminishing the host country cultural identity. Next one is access to quality journalism. High quality foreign newspapers and magazines often adhere to strong journalistic standards which can help raise the overall quality of journalism in the host country. On the other hand, influence on local media. In a negative implication, foreign media ownership or control of local outlets can result in the dissemination of their editorial policies and biasness, which may not align with the interest of the host country or its citizens. And the last one is competition and innovation. The presence of foreign media can stimulate competition and encourage local media outlets to improve their reporting, thereby benefit consumers with better content. On the other hand, erosion of local journalism, intense competition with foreign media might strain local media outlets financially, leading to reduced investment in local journalism, job cuts, and a decline in the quality of local reporting. Now, what are the issues relating to the entry of foreign print media? The arrival of well-established foreign media companies with substantial resources and expertise can lead to market dominance, potentially pushing local media outlets out of business or creating an uneven playing field. The presence of foreign media may result in an influx of content but not necessarily high quality reporting. Local media outlets may struggle to compete with foreign media's vast resources, impacting the quality of local journalism. The content produced by the foreign print media may not always align with local cultural or legal standard. Balancing freedom of the press with cultural sensitiveness can be a significant challenge. Foreign media can influence local politics and public opinion, either intentionally or unintentionally. This can raise concern about foreign interference in the domestic affairs. Government may need to revise or create new regulation to address the challenges posed by foreign media entry, including issues relating to ownership, content and competition. Now come to the point, what are the government regulations and policies? Government regulations and policies on media and other contemporary issues can have a significant impact on society, the media landscape and various sectors of the economy. These policies are often shaped by the combination of legal, ethical, political and societal considerations. Here are some common government regulation policies on media and other contemporary issues. Government may impose restrictions on content such as hate speech, incitement to violence, or the publication of sensitive national security information. Governments established copyright laws to protect the intellectual property rights of creators and regulate the use of copyright material. Governments established labor law that address issues such as minimum wages, working conditions, and workers' rights. Now come to the last topic, that is conclusion. In conclusion, media and other contemporary issues are deeply intertwined, and government regulation and policies play a crucial role in addressing the challenges and opportunities presented by these issues. Summarize the key points discussed throughout the presentation and provide recommendation for striking a balance between media freedom and the protection of the national interest. Thank you.